we are here at Baslite Highland Brew Coffee. So I am with my niece and my friend Ryan. So just have a little bit of distress, a little bit, charot. Distress na ba karay? just just come up here because it's cool and a little bit relaxing. Because of course this is mountain, look at this. So there's a lot of people that just comes down from the second floor or the third floor. Because it's like this, guys. I don't know if you can see that. So there's other uh right there, like other story. So you can see the overlooking view of the mountain, overlooking view of the city or the town. Alright, there it goes. This is the view here from the top. Make it drop. So there's also spacious outside if you want to just have your coffee outside. And also here, so that's the name, guys. The Baslite Brew Highland Brew Coffee. You can also take your pictures here. So that's where we at our tables. And so that is the Apu Island, guys. If you can see that, it's right there. And if you could see that really far island, that is the Mindanao, part of Mindanao. So they said that they are planning to make a swimming pool here. So they're asking a 25 peso entrance, 25 per head. So that's the second floor where we had our table. You can also have your hiking here because there's that trails going to the mountains too. We tried it here before. The thing is, I'm not into vlogging that time, so I don't really take videos. So right now we are waiting for our coffee and food. Before, this is better before because it wasn't blocked. The view was not blocked like this, like that. I have a picture here before. That was really good because it's just clear and there's no like this, but they put up this another kitchen right here. It is a progressive coffee shop. It's a lot of people that will come and check it out here. So this is Ryan, always smiling. Oh, there we go. Wow, dako sa burger mo po 200. 199. Mura po ay og bulkan. Ang tawag, guys. Guys, look at the burger, guys. Really like fiesta. This is worth 199 for the driver. Wow, this is my mocha latte. And that is the mango shake. Thank you, miss. And his cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. So may saktong term cappuccino? Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Cappuccino? Ano naman nagulay bila? Oh, gara. Bilang tao na to. Ilang tao na to. Kung saan na niya. Pagka. Pag kung manghatag ka na mo. Kuha rin. Alright guys, let's try this. Ako na pictures.
1, 2, 3. Para ito mo ay ka. 1, 2.
So guys, here we go. Dito man na nimo hiwaon na kay. Or ano to? Kaunti. Wala man og panihapon. Wala wala tissue. Hindi ako mabubuhi kung walang tissue. Mabubuhi. Oh, ito. Daghana. Ay, dala. This is for you. Daghana tissue. Ako sa gamit ano.
Here.
Nice. Pero guys, kuan, sana yung, it's like homemade lang tawad ako kayo.
Homemade ito na.
So, nice one.
Hey guys. Dito ka.
Kusga na, mo ang,
Ha?
mo ang, ito na.
Or ba? Kung hindi malumpa.
Pero, ang cost ko niya, ang isa?
20,000 milliamperes. Hindi mo din eh. Di ko po.
Kaya mo yan. Mapilat ito siya. Kaya mo, ako. Kasi ganun sa kamay. Kit kayo, ang butangan. Kalpod.
Oh, French fries oh.
Bigay ka na.
Hindi ko yung French fries eh.
Hala. Baga po ila ang ano, patties.
Oo.
Pero lami siya. Sige, butay na. Dira. Nice one, guys. Kay it's really good. Big chunks.
Overload mo eh.
Try na pa yung sauce. Ano? Wait, kay tamis.
Mukha akong itutong ko ano. Dito po. Pino. Bakit na ba na ako pino?
Palita, sikan pa to.
Bakit kayo nakakita daw? Maklaro niya. Grabe dito ako. Kuha mo na ako niya.
Ano na nakaway magkaon og burger sa?
Ano na ko yung babo?
Nakawapoy dito. Tayo time na kay date niya. Kaon kag burger na kadako. Umando day mang inarte. Kay banganga man jud kag dako. Dili mong kabulingit jud ka.
Wala ko mga babae. Mga babae sa salon. Did you order of one burger?
Kay banganga man.
Hindi na sila ganang mga babae ng posture ba?
Banganga ba itong tinuod ana?
Nalala ko, pakita niya ako kinagpapito.
Ay, pwede bira-birahon na ba? Ito kanin utan. Ano yun?
Ang nga ba, Uban?
Nang pagkaon.
Maharap man yung tissue.
Saan mo na pag-abel tayo?
Lagi na.
Nag-slide na ako doon. Nag-slide.
Abli mo na. Ang gabihan na rin niya. Abli.
Ay, magic word. Ano? I have to say the magic word. Yeah. Hindi galit ma-aplikan. Ano?
Ako na nagabili na rin.
So guys, you cannot finish the burger. He said it's just too much for him, or he just want to save for his future labidab.
Medyo makarot yun.
So the lumpia is gone, and this is okay. This is good. How about your shake, Dai?
Food review.
Rate 10 to 0. 8. How about you? Rate your coffee and burger.
The coffee is good. I will rate 8 or 10.
It all you.
The burger is perfect.
Perfect.
10.
10? Really?
Because it's so big.
And the coffee is
8.
8 all you can. the no, it's not coffee. It's
Cappuccino.
cappuccino. Yeah, that's cappuccino.
Cappuccino
That
good.
is 12 ounce.
Yeah.
12 ounce. 12 ounce, and this is okay. This is good. Mocha latte. Yeah, latte sa mocha. That's it, guys. So this is the view here, guys, and they also have this. This tables here. Let's see what they grow. I don't know what they grow up here. Coffee, I think. Just going to their bathroom, guys. It's a wash area. So there's bathroom. See if we have a generator there. So this is how it looks like, guys. Mga gangs. So you can also stay here outside. Sometimes they have live bands here. Like if there's a fiesta. And going to that area, there's a trail going up to the mountain. I already hiked there. We're in a group. So this is how it looks like here, guys. Look at that. Oh, there's also camping. Bashaku Mountain and restaurant. So you can also camp. Yeah. So right here, I think you can camp right here. So chicken. Oh, so they have 200 person per person. So without tent or 100. 500 for without tent. Oh, nice. Oh, see, guys, it's a picture right there. And if you want to hike, oh, this is the name. Leslie Highland Grilled Coffee. This is our new kitchen. Going back down. And look at that. It's already 5:30. So there's a new guest. So that's the place that where you're going to pay your entrance and also your registration. 25 peso. Look at that, guys. Just so refreshing. And actually going down, it's like right there. There's also a restaurant. Guys, I hope it's good. You know? I don't know if you're gonna do it. So guys, I'm back. We're back home safe. Thank God. So the coffee shop in the mountain is really cool. It really helps you relax. The place to distress. And also to eat. To eat and coffee, drink coffee. You can really choose what would you like. There's some drinks, not everything is coffee. And there's a variety of food though. There's some local foods when it's weekends. So thank you guys. Thank you for being with us. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.